Yeah, here we go with a finished product for this gazebo. There's the roof on the unit. See the ties. Got all the wind ties in place. It's got a hook in the middle for a light, or you can hang a bug zapper up in there. Comes with a couple extra external little hooks, so you can actually hook a cord up in there. Comes with a nice little corner bracket. It's a nice quality gazebo. I would highly recommend this unit. If anybody wants to create a nice shaded space in their yard, feel free to give DSM a call and we'll get you hooked up and get one of these suckers built in your yard. Have a great day.